Hi, my name is Anne and welcome to my channel Lilacs and Lilies. Today we are in a new location. I am currently stealing my friend's apartment and this is going to be our aesthetic background for the day. I think that I really wouldn't mind using this all the time, but we're gonna use this as our little whiteboard space. And we're gonna go ahead and jump into our country pronunciations, which if you have not seen my first one, go ahead and check it out up here. We'll be looking at Europe today. So if you want to learn about the Americas, so some countries in North, Central, and South America, check out the other one. But if you're here for my first part of Europe, stick around and we'll jump in with our first word, which is this one. Portugal. Portugal. We get that sound, right? That, if you want to know, is the schwa. We've got two little bits on that. I'll put that up here. But that sound, you'll hear it in a lot of these words. And so we're going to get that T is going to sound more ch. So we'll have Portugal. 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 The next is Spain. Spain. Something to be careful with is SP with the S at the beginning. We don't want to do Spain, right? Just Spain. Spain. France. France. Right? Very simple. We've got that sound. Now we know this is not French, right? That might be the language, but the country, we will go France. The next one is going to be Germany. Germany. Okay, Germa. We got that right? We're not going to go Germany. We'll go Germany. Our next is the Netherlands. The Netherlands. The, right, we know from our schwa, we have this sound, the. And then nether, right, means lower. And we do have lands here. But when we do it within the word, we're going to go a little bit like lins, but subtle. So Netherlands. Netherlands. Belgium or Belgium. Belgium. Okay? I say that. Oh, we have a cat. This one is going to be a little bit of a combination of I and So Belgium. We'll be sure to get that in there. So we don't want to do Belgium, right? We'll go Belgium. Switzerland. Switzerland. We might go a bit faster, right? Switzerland, Switzer, right? Switzerland. I think that one's fun. We get the Switzer. Denmark. Denmark. Okay, we've got that at the end, but it may not be really loud. We might get this very subtle Denmark. Denmark. Okay. Italy. Now this one we may hear sometimes Italy, but many within the general American accent, that T might become a D sound, right? We hear that in a couple of other words. So we'll go Italy, Italy, okay? Italy, Italy. Our next is going to be the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom. So united is the same as with the United States, right? The United, right? Or united, right? Italy, Italy. United, united, okay? United Kingdom. 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 We can also call this the UK, right? The same with the US. If we say US, we need to put the US. This is true for the UK as well. Let's look at what makes up the UK, which would be England. England. Okay, get this Lund. Okay, England. Scotland. Scotland. So this one we don't hear that t very much, right? We can say Scotland, it's okay, but that T usually kind of goes away a little bit. We get this Scotland, okay? Wales. So I know this one can be a little weird because I know in Spanish and in Portuguese, it has a G. It's actually Gales or Gales. But in English, we do have our big W here. So we'll go Wales. And we sometimes might even notice that S at the end sounds a little bit like a Z, Wales, but not a lot, right? We have a little bit of S, a little bit of Z, Wales. The last one in the UK is Northern Ireland. Northern Ireland. So we get this Ireland. And that und sound, right? We're noticing at the ends of these, right? We get this und. Switzerland, Ireland. Okay. It kind of gets less of a stress on it. Ireland, Switzerland. And the last one is Ireland, or the Republic of Ireland. Okay. So we have Northern Ireland, which is different than just Ireland or the Republic of Ireland. But we get this Ireland. Okay. All right, now I'm going to put all of these words right here. And I'm going to just hang out for here for a minute. And you're going to go ahead and practice those. And then we'll read them together at the very end for our review. Okay? Go for it. Let's go ahead and read them through. Portugal, Spain, France, Germany, the Netherlands, Belgium, Switzerland, Denmark, Italy, the United Kingdom, or the UK, England, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland, and Ireland. Very good. All right. So this was our part 2 for our how to pronounce countries with Europe, right? I've got another one. We'll line up. We'll get a few more. If you have other countries that you would like to hear pronunciation on, particularly with an American accent, go ahead and leave them down below, and I will do my best to put them in one of my lists. We'll go ahead and just keep practicing. If you want to practice the schwa, if you want to practice other pronunciation, if you have any grammar things that you want to check out, go ahead and look at my languages playlist. And I would be happy to see you next week, hopefully. I've been traveling for the last 4 weeks, actually, so I've been kind of in and out a bit, but I'm loving it, and hopefully I will be able to be back to normal scheduling very soon. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and yeah, see you then.
Have you been helping? Say hi, subscribe, have a good day.